Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today, we are diving into how to pause and resume sync in WeatherRiver. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. First, locate the WeatherRiver icon on your taskbar. It might be hidden. So click on the small upward arrow to reveal more icons. Once you find it, right-click on the WeatherRiver cloud icon. Click on the gear icon. A menu will appear with the option to pause syncing. Here, you can choose to pause the sync for either 2, 8, or 24 hours based on your needs. After selecting the duration, confirm that the WeatherRiver icon now displays a paused status. This means your files won't sync until the time you've set has passed or until you manually resume the process. Now, let's talk about resuming sync. When you're ready to get back to syncing, click on the WeatherRiver icon that's showing the paused status in the notification area. This will open the Activity Center. Look for a message or a yellow highlight indicating that syncing is paused. Click on this message or highlight, and WeatherRiver will spring back into action, resuming the sync of your files. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.